Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about some situations where you may have to write an email or WhatsApp message and you may have to tell your friends and help them out in certain situations. And to write in French, you may need some ideas. So here are a few ideas which I have penned down for you and let's go through it. So here is your situation. Vous avez reçu ce message électronique, which means you have received a message. Electronic means email message. De Lucia arrobas netcourier.fr, which means Lucia at the rate netcourier.fr. FR stands for France. Objet aide SVP, which means help please. SVP is s'il vous plaît. Salut tout le monde. On déménage bientôt et on cherche quelqu'un pour s'occuper de notre fils pendant ce temps-là. L'un d'entre vous pourrait-il nous aider? That means l'un d'entre vous pourrait-il nous aider? Which means that can any one of you help us? And going through it again, salut tout le monde, on déménage. This is an informal letter. So the salutations will be informal. And salut tout le monde means hi, everybody. On déménage bientôt, which means we are moving very soon and we are looking for our friends who could take care of our little one, our son, who is an infant, during this time. So one of you could help us, and it's like, could any one of you help us out? Merci d'avance de votre gentillesse. So merci d'avance means merci is thank you, and d'avance is in advance. So merci in advance for your kindness. Gentillesse is kindness. Lucas et Charlotte. Vous répondez à vos amis pour accepter leur demande. Vous leur posez des questions sur, sur leur enfant, repas, loisirs, etc. et sur les horaires et la date où vous le garderez. Vous leur proposez également des activités à faire avec leur fils, which means that you have to respond and to your friends, asking them about the routine of their son, who's an infant, and you're going to ask them what are his timings, what time does he like to have his meals, or what are the activities that they engage him in. And you also propose so many activities which you can engage the child in when he's with you. So my response was A, which means to, Lucia arrobas netcourier.fr, objet re, which means reply, et svp, salut Charlotte et Lucas, suite à votre courrier, on vous souhaite tout le meilleur dans votre passage au nouvel endroit. On, on, on espère que vous êtes à l'aise là-bas. Bien sûr, on s'occuperait de votre enfant pendant votre déménagement, mais on voudrait savoir le repas que votre enfant aime, et ses activités préférées, etc. So, this is an informal letter. Salut Charlotte et Lucas, which means hi, Charlotte and Lucas. Suite à votre courrier, on vous souhaite tout le meilleur dans votre passage au nouvel endroit means that referring to your letter, referring to your mail, we wish you the best during your search for a new place and we hope you are comfortable there. Of course, we are going to have your child, we are going to take care of your child during this time when you're busy, and we would like to know his his meals, his food, his routine, what are his activities, and what all activities do you engage him in. And now you're going to suggest some activities that you have in mind in which you can engage the child. On voudrait aussi savoir s'honorer et la date où on le garderait. On voudrait l'emmener pour on voudrait l'emmener pour promenade le soir. On voudrait aussi l'emmener au parc. On préférait lui lire des histoires à la nuit. On aimerait lui jouer de la musique. Mon fils voudrait jouer à cache-cache avec lui et on voudrait t'inviter ses amis au le rencontrer. Ils pourraient aussi jouer ensemble dans le jardin. Ne vous inquiétez pas, prenez soin de vous, écrivez soit vite. En attendant de vous voir bientôt, tous mes voeux, à bientôt, Sophie. Now, here I would like to explain the same thing to you. As I said, it is an informal letter. So, in the beginning, we wish the friends, you wish your friends all the best in their move to a new place, and you wish that they are comfortable in that new place. Secondly, you have to tell them what all activities are you going to engage the child in. So, on voudrait aussi savoir s'honorer et la date on le garderait. So, you have to ask them his hours, his routine, and the date in which you have to take care of the child. On voudrait l'emmener pour promenade le soir. That means we will take the little one, the baby, to the park for an outing in the evening, for a walk. On voudrait aussi l'emmener au parc. We will take them to the park, take him to the park also. On préfère lui lire des histoires à la nuit, which means we prefer, and we would like to take him to we would like to read stories at night. We would like to read him stories during the night, and we will play music for him. Mofis, that means my son, will like to play catch catch with him, and he will also invite his friends to see and meet your child, and they can also play in the garden together. So, ne vous inquiétez pas, which means please don't worry, and prenez soin de vous, which means take care of yourself. Écrivez soit vite, that means keep writing to me or write to me soon. And en attendant de vous voir bientôt, which means waiting eagerly for your to see you again, to see you soon. Tous mes voeux, Sophie, all the best, and best wishes, Sophie. Here is another situation where we are going to look at another situation where you may have to write an mail and or a message for another informal situation. So here's the situation. Sylvia et Rachel sont heureux de vous annoncer la naissance de Théo et Joey le 31 mars dernier. Les jumeaux et leur maman se portent bien. So here there are two friends. They are your friends Sylvia and Rachel. They are very happy to announce to you the birth of their twins. Jumeaux means twins. Jumeau is a word in French. It means twins. So your friends are announcing the birth of their twins and they are happy about it, and they say that we are very happy to announce the birth of our twins on 31st March last, and the kids and the mother are doing well. So here is your situation. You have to respond to it. Vous habitez en France. That means you live in France. Vous lisez cette annonce. Vous répondez à vos amis. Vous les félicitez, vous leur annoncez. Vous les félicitez, vous leur annoncez votre prochaine visite et vous leur demandez quel cadeau faire aux enfants. Which means you have to respond to your friends and you have to congratulate them and you have to announce, you have to tell them that you will be coming over to meet their kids, their twins, and you also have to ask what kind of gifts will give joy to the twins and be useful to the twins also. Because whenever we meet newborns, we always take some gifts for them as a token of our love and affection and blessings. So here is my reply, some ideas which I have penned for you. Salut vous deux. This is an informal letter, so the salutations have to be informal. Salut vous deux. That means hi, both of you. Au très fier parents, au très fiers parents de Théo et Joé, nous sommes ravis d'apprendre la naissance de vos jumeaux. That means to the proud parents of Theo et Joey, we are very happy to learn of the birth of your twins. Félicitations pour les nouveaux arrivants, which means congratulations for the new arrivals, new additions to your family. Nous sommes sûrs que, that means we are, nous sommes sûrs que vous ferez de très bons parents. That means we are very happy and we think that you will make very good parents. You will do a great job as parents. Nous viendrons voir les deux anges de joie à Pâques. Nous aimerons vous demander quel cadeau faire aux enfants, which means we will come to see the newborns on Easter and we would like to know what kind of gifts will be useful for them. Nous réserverons bientôt. That means we will reserve the tickets. We will do the booking soon. Nous réserverons bientôt les billets de train car c'est une semaine de vacances et les réservations peuvent être retardées. So this is the vacation week and the bookings may be delayed. So we are going to, book the tickets as soon as possible. Nous prévoyons également de rencontrer nos proches pendant le séjour, which means that we also plan to meet our relatives and friends while we are staying in your town. So, we will also have other engagements while we are there. And now, ending the letter, dans l'attente de vous rencontrer, tous mes vœux, bénédictions aux enfants, Sophie. So here are a few ideas which you can use for an informal letter in which you are felicitations you're offering, you are extending your greetings and felicitations to your friends. Thank you. I would like to tell you that the letters are in the description box below. This is Swati Sinha signing off. Thank you.